Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Empower Bank Sync, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To get started with Empower's Bank Sync authentication, open the Empower app on your device. Once the app is launched, navigate to the settings menu. Look for the Bank Sync option and tap on it to proceed. You will see a prompt asking you to connect your bank account. Select the option to add account or link bank. A list of supported banks will appear on your screen. Find your bank in the list and select it. You may be redirected to your bank's login page. Enter your online banking username and password accurately. If your bank uses two-factor authentication, follow the prompts to verify your identity. After successful verification, return to the Empower app. You should see a confirmation message indicating that your bank has been linked successfully. Review the account syncing options available to customize your preferences. Once you've made your selections, save your settings. Your bank account is now authenticated and ready for syncing. Regularly check back to ensure your account information remains up to date. This process ensures your financial data stays secure and integrated within the Empower app. You're now ready to benefit from all the features Empower has to offer. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.